say. Yeah, now I rep the O, what you know about the west side. I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best.
It is Saturday morning and I'm already running behind because it's super early and I'm not usually up this early. But today we're taking the Beamer to the shop, taking it up to Eurocycles. We're finally gonna get rid of all of the stock exhaust components and hopefully wake this thing up because it's been quiet. If you've ridden with me or if you have this bike, you know how quiet this bike is from the factory. And it's been my biggest gripe. It's just quiet. I feel like I'm riding a Tesla or something. It's ridiculous. But anyway, we're gonna go full titanium today. We're running a little bit behind. A good thing that the bike does like 300 miles an hour, and so we're just gonna get there and get this taken care of. The other issue with today's plans is that there's like a 60% chance of rain, and so I gotta get this thing installed. I gotta get back over the bridge. Oh yeah, and I have a meeting that I have to make all before the rain hits. So anyway, I'm gonna fly to Tampa. I'm gonna get this stuff taken care of. The install, they're expecting it to take about 4 hours, which is fine because I got some stuff that I gotta do anyway. While they're doing that, I don't know, I might test ride a Vespa or something while I'm up there. I don't know yet. We're gonna see how the day goes and see if this weather kind of holds out for me. Regardless, we're gonna make it a good day and I'm extremely excited. And then hopefully tonight we can do some riding as long as the rain passes.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side. I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I will if you test mine.
Alright, so we made it out to Eurocycles this morning. It's early. I don't even know if they're open yet, but they got their inventory out here. Looks like they're ready to sling some Vespas today. I'm gonna try to ride one of those today if I can. I've actually never ridden an actual Vespa. Just a bunch of knockoff versions, but these things are quick. They'll do highway speeds. We're gonna play around while they're doing the exhaust. Also, next weekend, which is the 17th, I think, I'll put a link below. They're actually gonna do breakfast for us. So next weekend, Saturday morning, we're doing breakfast here. They're gonna cook up some pancakes, do some sausage and some other stuff for the Bay Area Riders group here, for our whole family. They're gonna be doing breakfast for us, and then we're gonna go for a ride up and we're gonna do a little north run. So hit me up if you're in Tampa and you wanna check that out. All right, we're changing out, not this, we're keeping the stock piece. We're just changing out just the bottom piece. This piece I actually like, it's got the carbon which wraps into that. The Acra I like, and it's a little long, but it'll do the job. Uh-oh, there goes my baby. They're taking her in the back. Her first surgery is going on today. All right, so the bike's about to get its new exhaust on, which I'm super excited about. And to burn some time, we're actually gonna do some test rides here. We're gonna be test riding the 2021 Tuono 660. Pretty excited about this bike. It's tiny, but it's great value for this bike. So I'm gonna go test ride this, do some other stuff, and then we're gonna get back to my bike. If you're in the Tampa area and you want to test ride something like this, you can always go over to Eurocycles and see what they got. They have a great showroom with all kinds of Aprilias. Aprilia is a great brand for them, so is BMW. So go check them out, go see what they have for some test rides. But be careful too, because I went in there and test rode the S1000 and a week later it was sitting in my garage. So just be careful when it comes to test riding because you will buy something, which isn't always a bad thing. Test rides are a great way to find out if you're going to like something and see how it handles and everything. And it's very, very rare that a dealership's going to let you test ride, which in my opinion, I think it makes Eurocycle stand out because they allow people to come enjoy the bike before purchasing it, so they know that they're getting exactly what they want. Anyway, let's get back to the dealership. How's it going so far? Good?
Yeah. We got the old editor talks about the mountain,
Nice.
some pictures. And
Yeah. See what we're looking at. Poor girl is torn apart. So right now he's got the that stock stuff torn off. We're gonna be putting this on, or we're not gonna be doing anything. He's gonna be doing it. So everything's going good though? I mean, yeah, everything's going good? That's insane how much space that old stuff takes, dude.
Big toaster here.
Yeah, that's insane. That's insane. I'm excited, dude. So excited. So that's the new, yeah, look at that. How much that weigh? Can I grab it? Holy shit. This thing weighs nothing. That's incredible. Anyway, I'm gonna let him get back to work. He's gonna put everything back together. He just schooled me on a bunch of stuff I didn't know about the bike. And then I'll be back.
A few moments later.
Start button when you want.
It's good. You wanna hit it for me? I'll get some. Alright, let's hear what this thing sounds like. That's much better than what it was. Hell yeah.
A lot lighter, dog.
Alright, so he's almost wrapped up the install of the header. He's gonna finish up all the fairings and all that junk. Take it for a test ride, then we're gonna get out of here. The bike sounds amazing. I'm so excited. So excited. Alright, so the bike is finally done. It looks amazing. Looks a lot cleaner now. I can see it on the GoPro, but look at that. It really cleaned it all up. Really nicely. And of course, sounds a hell of a lot better too. Anyway, I got some more errands I gotta run now that the bike is done. Thank you. So everything looks really good. Everything sounds amazing. Oh yeah. So we're back. We're back on the bike. We've got the exhaust done. I don't know how much you can hear from the GoPro microphone that's attached to my helmet, but oh, that sounds good. It sounds much better. Much better. But anyway, today I've got some more meetings to do, so I'm gonna go handle the rest of my business today, and then hopefully the rain holds off and we are going to get some riding in tonight. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We'll see.
I like it vacant. Up in the morning, I'm eating the bacon. Don't like the cap and I don't like the faking. I need a bag and it's mine for the taking. Liquor and women, I'm never chasing. She don't know me, but she know that I'm famous. And I got way too much money coming out of woodwork. Remember back.
All right, tell me what you think. Not bad. It'll drop.
Sounds a lot better than it did before.
Nice. Hey, boy. What's up? This guy. Alright. We're gonna hit up Wawa Candy from here. The weather keeps changing. We're not sure exactly what it's gonna do, but we're gonna try to outrun it. So, see what happens. Franklin, you good? You good? Alright, good. You good? We got a tri-state drive.
Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. Didn't take it serious, I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the streams, so that's good. I got way too much money coming out of woodwork. Remember back then, dog, I told them that it would work. Didn't take it serious, I showed them that I could first. Now I got a crib off the streams, so that's good. Now I got racks on the bills, I need my mama up in the
This is what happens. He bought this shirt on Wish.
No, man. No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No,
Let's look at the tag.
I swear I got this on eBay.
Alright, so we made it up to Radiant, and for whatever reason the Florida weather is not cooperating. It's like you have all these baby cells and they're mating and they're making giant cells and they're just following us around, and honestly I don't want to get my bike wet tonight, so I'm probably just gonna call it a night, honestly. Big thing is I got the exhaust installed today. Thank you to Bo over at Eurocycles. Bro, you really hooked it up. Did a fantastic job. It looks amazing. It sounds amazing. I couldn't be more excited about this thing. And I got to put some miles in tonight, so it just sounds good. My boy Brian here had this same bike. If you remember my bike, the one that got stolen, his bike looked exactly like mine. And then people are assholes, so at the end of the day, he changed everything. Now he's got all this carbon fiber in here. Super jealous of that. Looks so good. He officially has the cleanest CBR on the streets of Tampa. Carbon fiber, everything. All right, my baby. We're going home. We're gonna call it a night. gonna stay dry tonight.
Up in the hills, all of these dudes, they in the fields. I don't need drink, I don't need pills, I just need money, that's what I'm saying. All of this talking, swear it gets draining. All of this time, I've been refraining. Now I make hits when I cover the bases. Now I got time to go get it. I told them I do it, I swear that I'm running the most. I don't know what they've been talking, I told them I'm here and I'm working so hard while they don't. I'm in the base and I'm making a way, and I told them that this is the life that I chose. They tryna test